China Xiangxing Vehicle Monitor Camera Technology Company, located in Shenzhen. We factory located in Longgang, Shenzhen. Welcome every customer to visit our factory. Shenzhen Xiangxing Technology Co. Ltd. was established in 2009. Is a leading technology company of car surveillance, products and solutions for commercial vehicles. It is a high-tech enterprise in research and development, design, manufacturing and sales, providing products and services to the world. We are original manufacturer with our own brand Zix, with 6 SMT production lines, finished and semi-finished product assembly workshop. Various anti-vibration, anti-aging, waterproof, clarity testing workshops to 100%. Guarantee quality and production capacity, sales value over 100 million last year. Products are widely used in buses, passenger transport, school buses, taxis, cold chain logistics. Police law enforcement vehicles, escort vehicles, rail transit, and other intelligent transportation construction fields. Successfully passed IS 09001-2015 ATF 16949 2016 E-Mark CE Rose Red and other relevant quality management certifications and implemented them strictly and effectively. Company cares about spiritual and life of employees. Offer a variety of team programs and activities to improve the company's team cohesion, so that every employee can work hard and live happily, unite together and climb to the top.